Welcome back to NK USA Car, the channel where power, design, and innovation meet the world of speed. If you love hearing about the most extreme machines ever created, then you're in the right place. So sit back, buckle up, and let's dive into something truly extraordinary. The all-new 2026 Ferrari F80, the next-generation hypercar that's rewriting everything we thought we knew about Ferrari performance. Ferrari has always been synonymous with passion, precision, and power. But with the 2026 F80, they've gone beyond tradition and stepped into a new era of hybrid hyper-performance. This car isn't just a successor to the LaFerrari. It's a bold statement that the future of speed can be both electrifying and efficient, while staying true to Ferrari's racing DNA. Let's start with the design. The 2026 Ferrari F80 is a breathtaking evolution of Ferrari's hypercar philosophy. Every curve, every surface, and every vent serves a purpose. Inspired by Formula One aerodynamics, the F80's carbon fiber body has been sculpted for maximum downforce and minimal drag. It looks like it's moving at 200 mph, even when it's standing still. The front fascia is aggressive yet elegant, featuring razor-sharp LED headlamps and a wide intake that feeds both cooling and airflow efficiency. The rear is dominated by an active wing system that adjusts automatically based on speed and driving mode, giving the driver perfect balance at all times. Inside, the cabin is pure driver focus. Ferrari has stripped away all distractions to create a cockpit that feels like it came straight out of a Le Mans prototype. The steering wheel integrates almost every control, from drive mode selection to suspension adjustments. A fully digital instrument cluster wraps around the driver, displaying real-time telemetry and hybrid system data. The seats are made from lightweight carbon composite with Alcantara finishes, offering comfort and race-ready support. Everything inside the F80 screams performance and purpose. Now, let's talk about what really matters: the powertrain. The 2026 Ferrari F80 is powered by a brand new twin-turbocharged V8 engine paired with an advanced hybrid electric system. Together they produce a mind-bending 200 horsepower. Yes, you heard that right. 200 horsepower in a road-legal Ferrari. The engine alone delivers around 900 HP, while the electric motor contributes another 300 HP for instant torque and lightning-fast acceleration. Ferrari claims the F80 can sprint from 0 to 100 km/h in just 2.0 seconds flat and reach a top speed of over 400 km/h, or about 249 mph. That's faster than most aircraft takeoff speeds. The hybrid system uses state-of-the-art battery cells that can be recharged through regenerative braking or by plugging in, making it one of Ferrari's most efficient high-performance systems ever. The car features a new generation of Ferrari's e-diff system and torque vectoring, ensuring every bit of that power is delivered precisely to the wheels. Whether it's carving through corners or blasting down straightaways, the F80 promises to deliver control that feels telepathic. And with an adaptive suspension setup and active aerodynamics, it's not just a straight-line monster, it's a track weapon designed to dominate any circuit on the planet. Ferrari has also incorporated advanced driving modes, including an all-electric mode for quiet city driving, a hybrid mode for balance, and a track mode that unleashes the full fury of the V8 and electric power combined. In track mode, the car's sound transforms into a symphony of pure adrenaline, the roar of the V8 harmonizing with the electric whine to create an unforgettable experience. On the technology front, Ferrari has left no stone unturned. The F80 comes equipped with next-gen AI-assisted driver systems that analyze road conditions and adjust performance in real time. It's also lighter than its predecessor, thanks to the extensive use of graphene-infused carbon fiber, which reduces weight without sacrificing strength. Ferrari plans to produce the F80 in very limited numbers, with only a few hundred units worldwide. Each one will be hand-built in Maranello, Italy, and priced well into the multi-million-dollar range. But for those lucky enough to own one, the 2026 Ferrari F80 isn't just a car. It's a statement of what the ultimate driving future looks like. So, what do you think about Ferrari's next-generation hypercar? Has the Italian legend once again set the standard for supercars of tomorrow? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to NK USA Car, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest and greatest machines from around the world. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you in the next video, where we explore the next evolution of automotive excellence only on NK USA Car.